Good morning, Sean with XLR8 Roofing and Construction. We're here in Alaqua in Longwood, Florida. Getting ready to start a tile tear off. This is going to be a brand new eagle tile roof, slate tile, which is like the flatter style, not the wavy style you see a lot of. I really like this flat slate style, so let me just show you what this house is looking like and tell you what we're gonna be doing. Here's the house, guys. It's about a 10-12 pitch, which is quite a steep roof. As you can see, the guys are just waiting to let the sun hit it a little more, just dry up the roof a little bit. Safety is key. Once that's happened, they'll work their way up to the ridge, secure their harnesses and their ropes, and we will get moving. I've got a big stack of plywood here. I'm gonna go get some more from our shop. We're gonna spread this out around the property, put it underneath our dumpsters that are going here. We're gonna lean some plywood up against this garage door, both these garage doors, to make sure that we protect everything and nothing gets damaged. Walk around the back of the house here. Here's the pool on the back side of the house, guys. You can see there's no screen enclosure, and the very steep part of the roof is right above this pool deck. So we're gonna put out plywood and tarps. We're gonna cover this entire pool. We're gonna keep this whole property protected.